Welcome! This is a tutorial to show you how to assess your assignments using the new version of LiveText. In the new version of LiveText, courses are set up for each of the classes you are teaching, which are listed on the right side of the screen. Each of the assignments connected to your course is listed in the middle of the screen. You no longer need to go to the Reviews box in order to assess your assignments. The assignments will be listed in red if they haven't been submitted, and in yellow if they have. Click on the yellow assignment in order to assess it. Here you will see which assignments are awaiting submission, which ones are awaiting assessment, and which ones are completed. Click on the person's name who has submitted their assignment. Here you will be able to make comments on the person's assignment, just like before. Go ahead and write comments. And you can also scroll down and download the attachment that they have included to make sure they completed their assignment requirements. When you're ready to assess it using the rubric, click Assessment Rubrics. In order to choose the elements of the rubric, simply click on the box that you want to select. Don't forget, you can also use the NA box if an element is not related to the assignment directions for your assignment. Fill out all the boxes. And then you can close the rubric. You can also unlock the rubric from the paper to look at it in a new window by clicking the Unlock button. It will then appear in a new window where you can make it bigger or smaller. To return it to the assignment, simply close the rubric. Don't forget, you can also add comments, just like you did before. Now that you've completed the rubric, you can also include the grade and comments. You can also add an attachment if you, for example, have used track changes to add comments to a Word document for the student. Simply browse, click in the attachment, and wait for it to upload. Now, if you're in the middle of the assessment, you can click Save. If you want to submit it, you can click Submit Assessment. If the student failed to submit a paper that has a document inside it, or submitted it incorrectly, you can click Request Resubmission and the student will resubmit their assignment. When you're done, click Submit Assessment. You will now see that the assessment you were looking at is now in green, and you can see the grade clearly marked next to it. If you go to Submissions and Grades, everything is listed for you. And that is how you assess documents using LiveText. If you go back to your dashboard, you'll now see that yellow assignment is now green.